up, beautiful people? You're welcome back to my channel. My name is Ozulorah, and if this is your first time stopping by, you're most definitely welcome. Please do make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I post another video. So guys, please don't mind the noise. Today is Sunday morning and I have some choices around me doing service, so guys, please ignore the noise. So today I'm going to be doing a night skincare routine for acne, how I combat acne. I've done a morning skincare routine on my channel, so you can find the link on the description box. So today I'm going to be doing a night skincare routine, how I use African black soap and shea butter to combat acne. So guys, if you want to know how I do that, check this face right here. Just keep on watching.
So guys, I'll be going in with this facial wash. This is activated charcoal facial wash. This is a detoxifying cleanser. So this cleanses and detoxifies the skin. So I'm going to use this first of all to cleanse my face. So this is I use this at night, most especially at night, yeah, because of the exfoliating components of this, because this is made from activated charcoal, and activated charcoal can also be used to exfoliate the skin. Then right now I am going in with this black soap. This is actually made by me. I do sell this. If you want to get it, you can click on my business page on the description box to get this. This is made from licorice powder, sandalwood powder, and licorice and other organic botanicals that are very, very essential to heal and repair the skin from acne and blemishes. So the main reason why I made this video is because most people complain that when you use black soap, it dries your skin off, or it doesn't actually do the things that it claims it to. It's because you're using it wrong. Now when you're using this black soap, you're supposed to use it to scrub your face for at least 60 seconds. You're going to, just like the way I did, I used the black soap and I used the rose water to cleanse my face. So right now I am going in, after washing my face, I am going in with this rose water to tone my face. People don't actually know the essence of using toner for your face. Like, using toner is so important, especially if you're using this black soap, because most times it can actually dry your skin, or after cleansing your skin will be so dry, so you need a toner. So I'm using this rose water to actually tone my face. Like, as you can see, my face is clean, like clean. You can't actually get any dirt from my face after using the black soap. So I'm just using the toner to tone my face. Then one thing I want you guys to know, when using a black soap, you should be careful, because so many vendors use most botanical powders that are not original, and they are not actually good. They can actually do more harm than good to your skin. So I'm going in with this shea butter. This is raw shea butter. I use it only at night. Now the most sweetest thing about using shea butter is because it has a high component of vitamin E. It is very moisturizing, and it does not clog your pores. Like, it is non-comedogenic, like if I pronounced it well, like it does not clog your pores at all, and it moisturizes your skin, especially if you're using a black soap. And if you have dry skin, like, shea butter is very important, and it does a lot of wonders to your skin, like repairing your skin and giving you that brightened look when you wake up in the morning. So this is what I basically do at night. Now I actually do sell this also. This is my pink lip balm. Like, most people actually ask me, like, Chima, how do you get pink lips all the time? Like, your lips is always pink. Like, this is my secret. I actually sell this. I actually made it myself. So if you want to get it, just click on my business page. The link is going to be on the description box. You can click. It is very affordable. So I do it every night, and this is the end of the video.